Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So I'm reviewing the cameras on the ElePhone P8 4G. This entire video will be shot with the ElePhone, and this in fact is this is the front camera of the ElePhone. I'll do another camera sample outside and then back in here, and we'll close out the video. But let's go ahead and take a look at how well this phone can do. Alright guys, this is the ElePhone P8 4G. This is the rear camera. This camera is supposed to have a 21 megapixel camera on the rear and a 16 on the front, and you get a sense to see how this camera actually performs. It's pretty good lighting, really good setting, so it gives you some idea of how it'll be outside for you. We'll do some zooming and get this thing tested for you. Zoom over to the park here. This phone has 4 times zoom. You can see the quality there. Focusing in is actually pretty decent, not bad. Don't believe this is the highest sensor in here, even though the megapixels only count for so much. You gotta have the right sensor. And panning around here, you see how good the quality is. I think it actually looks really good. This phone retails for $199. You can probably find it even less if you do some homework. So here is the front 16 megapixel camera on the ElePhone P8 4G. These cameras are actually pretty decent for a phone that costs $199. I'm looking at the viewfinder here, and it actually looks, the colors are extremely accurate. Let me shift the camera a little bit here. Yeah, colors are actually pretty decent on here. This front camera will be great for vlogging. You get a sense of how the audio is going to be on here if you decide to pick up this phone. And I think it's actually pretty decent, man. I mean, $199, you get the fingerprint reader, a 21 megapixel on the back, 16 on the front, 6 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs onboard storage. You know, it's just a lot coming with this phone. And the cameras, what I'm highlighting now in this video, is actually pretty good. I'm liking what I'm seeing here. What do you think? So there you have it. This is the camera review for the ElePhone P8 4G. These cameras are actually really good. They're actually better than I thought they were going to be, because I compared them next to the K20, and the K20's cameras are good, but definitely not as good as this phone right here. And the K20 is, and I'm not doing a camera comparison right now. I just had this phone. I was testing this one too, but this phone right here, it's actually pretty decent. What do you think about the quality, from the microphones to the rear camera to this front camera? There's only one window open. I'm sitting in the living room. I got one window right here open, and it's actually pretty decent, man. This is some good footage. So if you were to try to pick up this phone, you know, you could have some really good cameras. This 16 megapixel on the front really shines. Now, we both know that megapixel count only means so much. You got to have the right sensors in there. And check the link in the description. You can find out all about this phone. So thank you for watching. Take care.